How to fix Amazon Prime not working after payment. So here's how to fix issues after subscription or renewal. First of all, you need to go to your Amazon account. So search for Amazon on your browser and then go with your Amazon. And on the right corner, on the top right corner, you will have your profile. You need to just go and sign in. And after signing, you will have your account settings. You need to just go with your account settings and you'll be able to see your membership. For me, I don't have any membership to Prime Video, but for you, if you have paid for it, then you may have the option of your payment. If the payment wasn't made or something went wrong, you will find the same issue, which will say that you don't have subscription to your Prime Video. If you have it, you don't have to fix anything. So now if you don't have it, like if you have inactive or if you don't have subscriptions, then you will have to confirm your card was charged. So go to your bank account and make sure that they charge your bank account. And if they did, you can go, an example, like to your email provider, go with the same email that you used while creating your Amazon account. So go with the email or go with the Google account that you've used while creating your Amazon Prime account. And with that, you can check for the confirmation email. Like if you've used the email, then you will have the inbox section right here. And from the inbox, if you have any confirmation email, then you need to just go and check that. Go and look for the Amazon Prime as an example and look for any confirmation email. If you find it, then that's a problem and you will need to contact support. But if you didn't find, then like for example, if you see that if it is pending, you can just wait like a few minutes or try the page to check an email. Sometimes your session just don't refresh. You can sign out of your Amazon if that might fix. So go with your Amazon Prime and then just sign out of your account for an example. Then try to go and sign in back again. Log in back and try streaming again. This sometimes helps. If that doesn't work, then you can check your country in region settings. Make sure that you've logged into your correct Amazon region because your Prime benefits won't transfer across regions. One of the things or other things that may work is restarting your browser. Or maybe if you're using your phone or even TV on the app, you can also try to clear cache or data and reopen the application again. Reinstalling the Prime Video application if you have it in your phone also might work. So if all else fail, you can always just go and go to your Amazon Contact Us section. Once you type Contact Us on your Amazon, or if you go with the Help section, you'll be able to basically report the problem to Amazon. So these are the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.